Hey guys, let me show you about my story that maybe some of you might experience. Let's start from the beginning. My name is Kevin, and I have a really rough family. We are having a holiday to Hawaii. Let's just start this.
We're late. Josh, Rachel, Rach, and Amber, get ready. Our flight is in 30 minutes.
Where's my book? Where's my book? No, I left it. Where is it? You see my phone? Hold it.
Come on, everyone, come on. Hurry up, come on.
Amber, hurry up. We will miss our flight. Wait for me.
Let's go.
Okay.
Why do you bring so many stuff? It's none of your business. The vacation!
No! Wait for me!
My family is in vacation and I'm at home. My family is vacation and I'm at home. I'm free!
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance.
Guys, we're almost arrived at the airport. Josh!
Here.
Amber!
Yes, Mom.
Rachel! I'm here! Raven! I'm right here. Okay.
Kevin!
Kevin, are you alright?
I'm okay, Mom.
It's okay. I will call somebody to take care of you.
It's up to you, but I'll be fine.
Okay. Take care, darling. Relax.
Excuse me. Hello, kid. What's your name?
It's Kevin.
Well, we are the one who will take care of you tomorrow, Raven.
It's Kevin. There's some problem there. I knew it.
This is it. Are you ready?
Yes,
Why do you wear that?
it's fashion. Oh, looks like it open.
You go to the front door, I go to the back door.
They're here.
Assalamualaikum. Hey, you!
Trying to catch me.
Wait.
Come and get me.
I'm so dizzy. This is cool.
Get out of here. Hurry up! Watch out for any traps.
Hey! I'm right here!
That stupid kid!
Oh, don't do that! Don't, please!
Hey Kevin, we're in a flower garden and we will be back home tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay.
See you.
What did he say? Tomorrow?
What? Really?
What is Mom doing right now? Almost forget! Hello?
Yes, 911 here.
Please come to my house.
What happened?
You will see.
Alright, send your location.
Great.
Where are they?
Follow me. Right here.
There they are. Don't you even try to do this again. Got me?
Yes.
Where's my pillow? Never mind. Mom! Mom!
Let's get smart.
Well, guys, that was my crazy holiday. Remember, if you're alone and have no one beside you, just do whatever you have to do. And at last but not least, be smart.
You know what? It's kind of fun, and I really want to do it again.